Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining us on this channel. I want to share with you the issue I was having. I was writing a Flutter application and I want really to practice with also the Flutter, and I had to add an image, and I got instantly an error saying that image file not found the Flutter. And I had that image. So I was searching, and finally I found the solution. So I want to share with you the solution. Some of the solutions are online, but really confusing because there are many people saying this. So let me show you the best solution you can do to fix that one. So you need to make sure that your image folder is on the root folder of your application. So I was asking myself, what is the root folder of my application? So if you write like an application called test, and the root folder is the name of your application actually. And another way is you need to go into your root folder. For example, this is my tst application, and under the tst application, that's where you put the images. And another thing is to locate the root folder, you need to check where is the pubspec folder. So pubspec folder, and from that one, the same folder, that's where you put your images. Okay. So for me, as my root folder is under the my application called TES22. Okay, if you build another application, then you need to put the image in that application and so on. So that is the first things you need to make sure that your image folder is on the root folder of the application. The second one is to know actually is to make sure that the indentation is correct. So in your file, which is called pubspec.yaml, in that file, then you need to respect the indentation. Okay, let me show you my this file. It's here. So now you see here, up here, you got the section called FLUTTER that start on the line 54. And from this section, you can see the horizontal line that is on this section. So this section start from FLUTTER and goes to the last one here. So under this section, make sure that the asset folder, actually, the asset folder is respecting the indentation. So from this horizontal line, count one, two spaces before, and then the third space is your asset. So one, two, after that you type your asset. Okay, asset. This is the section of asset, and the second of image you need to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 one, when you put the dash, and after the dash you make space, and then you put your image folder. So let me repeat it. You start from the horizontal line, you say 1, 2, and then you type, you make sure that the assets start from there, and then you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 5 the one, and then you type you dash, and then after the dash you put the space, and then you type image. After this one, if you highlight the image, it will tell you, okay, you save. You need to first to save, so you type file and save, or Control S. And if the image is not correct to one, okay, it will tell you, it's going to tell you, but really it is the indentation. Try to play on the indentation, then it should work, because I have been really struggling, and my issue actually was that it wasn't really on the right folder. So for me, I was thinking that the root folder is app, but the root folder is the folder of my my application. Okay, so if I create a new application, then my image should be under that folder. So each application you create, then you need to make sure that image is on the same section as your pubspec.yaml folder. So I hope this one helps. And if you have a question, then feel free to ask me.